Clever is your trusted partner in secure EdTech implementation. Whether you're managing accounts manually through scripts or with another tool, there's a better way. With Clever IDM, we offer an identity management solution that keeps your student and staff accounts accurate, up-to-date, and secure. Provisioning and managing user account access can drain your team's time and introduce serious risk. And that's not a trade-off worth making. With Clever IDM, we'll help improve account security, automate provisioning, and free up your budget. We'll keep your account secure with daily syncs from your SIS. Clever IDM provisions accounts and passwords and ensures students, teachers, and staff have the right access at the right times. With Clever IDM, you get hands-off identity management automation. Using your SIS fields, Clever IDM automatically creates and updates OUs and sub-OUs in your identity system, so you don't have to. And because Clever IDM uses the data you already have in Clever, you can get set up in less than 30 minutes. Finally, you'll spend a fraction of what districts usually have to pay for identity management. The best part? There are no additional fees for setup, training, or support. You can start the setup process at no cost. No payment information required. Visit the Clever IDM tab in your Clever dashboard to walk through setup and preview your first sync. Don't worry, no charges will be made to your user account data during the setup and preview process. Now let's see it in action. We'll walk through the setup process for Google Workspace in this video, but the process is similar for Active Directory. First, you'll connect your account. Next, select the users you want to manage with Clever IDM. You can provision accounts for students, teachers, and staff. Then, you'll determine login credentials for users. The setup process will guide you through setting email and password formats customized for each user type. When determining username and password formats, you will have a few standard options in the drop-down menu, but you can also create custom formats. Now, you'll organize your OUs. You'll need to have the parent OUs, like teachers or students, set up in your Google console before selecting where to place the OUs creator for each user type. Clever IDM will automatically create sub-OUs based on the fields in your SIS. By default, there are a variety of sub-OU options, such as school, grade, and graduation year. You can also designate an archive OU for accounts removed from Clever. For example, when a student unenrolls. Check our documentation for more detail on archive OU configuration. In addition to determining sub-OUs for each user type, you can also select OUs you want to manage manually, called ignored OUs. Users will not be moved out of these OUs by Clever IDM. After organizing your OUs, you can optionally configure groups in Google or Active Directory. Here, you can add users to groups in your destination, like adding a student to a group based on their grade. Groups are helpful for things like sending emails to all members at once. After determining the OU and groups for each user type, you'll land on the summary screen, the perfect time to double-check that everything looks just right. Finally, it's time to preview your first sync with Clever IDM. As a reminder, no changes will be made to your account data. Previewing will show you the total number of users who will be created, updated, and archived, plus how Clever IDM will map users to OUs. After everything looks good, you can complete the purchase process right in Clever with a credit card or purchase order. To get started, visit the Clever IDM tab in your Clever dashboard, or reach out to idm@clever.com with any questions. Let Clever IDM handle the complexity so your team doesn't have to. Start your free setup today.